Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Today we are going to see solid modeling of pulley. So let's go. Select here template as the part in mm. So we are selecting mmns part solid. Before moving ahead, we are going to locate views. So this is front view. This is right view. And this is top view. According to that, we have to create model. As the part looks like in revolve shape, so we can get the revolve profile in right view. For that, we are selecting right plane and revolve command. And try to draw this cross section. First of all, we are taking a axis line for revolution. Then I draw a vertical center line for symmetricity. Draw this rectangle having dimension of 50 and this dimension is 0.40 and this is 50. Now we are trying to draw upper section. So here is, first of all, I draw a single line having diameter of 178. This is 64. As here is a curvature shape, so I am going to make it construction line. Then draw two vertical lines here. Having dimension of 3 mm. Then make them equal. Here is a circle of R5 means 10 diameter. This distance is 3 mm. Now we are going to divide this line into 3 sections. One mm. This is also 1 mm. So we are getting equal section here. Draw curve here. Here also same, divide this line into 3 parts. This is 1 mm. This is also 1 mm. Then try to draw this curve with perfect tangency. draw two lines here. And remove unwanted sketches and make it complete loop. Ensure all dimensions should be strong dimension. Then click OK. You will get the revolve shape. Now there are 5 ribs. For that we have to create a sweep blend here, as the ribs end section are vary in dimension. So first of all, draw a sketch on middle plane like this. Now select sweep blend and select that sketch. Go to section, sketch the first section here. So here is elliptical of dimension 22 by 11. Now insert second section and sketch. At other end, here is elliptical of 22 by 9.5. Then click OK. You will get this rib, first rib. Now we have to create another 4. So we are going to take pattern here. Go to pattern, axis pattern. Select the center axis. Type the number of members here 5. And click this. You will get the 5 ribs here. Here is small keyway of size 6 by 3. Take a extrude and remove it. So here is the chamfer of 2 into 45. For that we are selecting 45 into D and value is 2. Now fillets and rounds here is R3. Give round to this part. Now we have to show the section here. For that, go to view, section, offset section, select a normal face, then draw lines like this. You will get the section. In this way, we can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.